A string is a sequence of characters. The following are string functions in PHP. 1. Add slashes. This function returns a string with backslashes added in front of specified characters. 2. Add slashes. This function returns a string with backslashes added in front of predefined characters. 3. Bin to hex. This function converts a string of ASCII characters to hexadecimal values. 4. Chop. This function removes white space or other characters from the right end of a string. 5. Chunk_split. This function splits a string into a series of smaller parts. 6. Explode. This function converts a string into an array. 7. HTML_entity_decode. This function converts HTML entities back to characters. 8. HTML entities. This function converts characters to HTML entities. 9. Special chars_decode. This function converts predefined HTML entities back to characters. 10. HTML special chars. This function converts predefined characters to HTML entities. 11. Implode. This function converts an array into a string. 12. Join. This function converts an array into a string. 13. Else_first. This function converts the first character of a string to lowercase. 14. Ltrim. This function removes white space or predefined characters from the left side of a string. 15. MD5. This function calculates the MD5 hash of a string. 16. Metaphone. This function provides a phonetic representation of how a string sounds in English. 17. NL_BR. This function inserts line breaks where new lines occur. 18. Number_format. This function formats a number with group thousands. 19. Parse_str. This function passes a query string into variables. 20. Print. This function outputs one or more strings. 21. Str to upper. This function converts a string to uppercase. 22. Str to lower. This function converts a string to lowercase. 23. Similar_text. This function finds similar characters within two strings. 24. Soundex. This function calculates the soundex key of a string, representing its English pronunciation. 25. str_get_CSV. This function passes a string containing fields in CSV format and returns an array containing the fields read. We will explain the remaining string functions in part 2. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.